and start with our video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, like, you know, kind of background situation going on here. I turned off my vanity just because I felt like it was giving it too much like a weird light and it wasn't like focusing too much. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one right here. It's the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. Go ahead and shape out my eyebrows. This is what I've been doing lately. Instead of going in with my powder or whatever I'm using, I go in with the concealer first. It doesn't look too good right now yet, but it'll look good at the end. We're gonna go ahead and use this Revolution makeup. It's the eyebrow and shaping kit. Kind of busted already. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the powder. Like that. I'm gonna go ahead and go do it over here. So now, I didn't want to film it like so, like, you know, dark, so I just wanted to, you know, do like a little kind of like natural side. We're gonna go ahead and use the Wet n Wild foundation. This one right here. We're gonna use the shade Golden Beige. This one. I really like that's really like, it's not, I mean, it's expensive, you know. It's a NARS one. I really like it. It's just expensive, and I'm like, from everyday, I don't think so. And I'm gonna go ahead and go with this sponge. It's from e.l.f. It's really good. Like, I recommend it, girl. It's like $4 or $3 around there, I believe. Go ahead and get my mirror. Go ahead and blend this all. Preferences. We'll go ahead and use the e.l.f. concealer again under my like going to above. And this one's like $4. It's probably less than like $6 for sure though. with the Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. This is in the shade 5. It's the lightest shade they have. This is my best like setting powder I love. I also use the Laura Mercier one, but I feel like this one, like I'm already used to it, so that's why I use it. And I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye because my under eye usually always hits really fast. Now, just making it a little bit more longer. I know I look white like a ghost. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this palette right here. It's the Revolution Times Rachel. Really pretty. The concealer, and we're gonna go ahead and, you know, just add a little bit more concealer on our eyelid. I believe it's called Passion Fruit. And this one right here. This one right here called Fantastic. This one right here. The 666666666. Okay. I mean, it has a lot of pigment, as you guys can tell. This one right here. Because, you know, we're trying to get that precise. We're trying to be precise and stuff. And then I'm gonna go in. Now we're gonna go in with another flat brush. This is right here, and we're gonna go in with the blue. You guys see that? And we're gonna go ahead and put it in where the concealer's at, and we're just gonna tap it. With the 666 again, and let's just blend those colors in. This purple color, and we're gonna go ahead and put it right here, just to blend it out. Lower, this color right here, and then lower, right here. go ahead and do this off camera just because of, like, you know, time purposes. I don't want this video to be too long. So we got back with this shade right here. It's called Brondy. We're gonna go in with this. This is a Echo Tools brush. I'm gonna go ahead and I don't like contouring my nose, but I like just going with the access, like the access color that I have, like, you know, that I use for the bronzer my face. Going with the sponge and with the access color that we have, like the palette, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut our cheeks. And I'm gonna set my fine lines because my lines are always creasing, which I hate, but whatever. Rose color, this one right here. It looks like it's a little, you know, a little too pinky. No, a little too red, but we're gonna put it in our inner. Now we're gonna go in with our Morphe setting mist. I would set it more if I were to be going out, but I'm not going out, so I favorite highlighter, the e.l.f. highlighter. This is the Golden Flower Crown one, and I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques highlighting brush. Morphe right here. I believe it's like a matte lipstick. And now we're gonna go in with our eyelashes. These are from Glam. You guys can go ahead and totally go check them out on Instagram. I'll link them down below. I don't have a code with them, but I like their eyelashes, so totally go and check them out. This one are in the style Monument. I'm gonna go ahead and get our tweezers, and I'm gonna go get some. Also, I'm gonna get some of these scissors. I usually use these scissors because I cut off the axis of like the eyelashes. As you guys can tell, sometimes the eyelashes have come with like this little pointy thing. I don't like because it like kind of, you know, pokes your eye. So I just take it off like this with this small one. And then I kind of measure my eye, and it's like I like how they look, like how long they are. I will go ahead and leave them. But in this case, I'm actually gonna cut a little bit from the end. Never cut from the top, from the what's it called, from the beginning, like the from here. Don't ever cut from here, always cut from the end, because yeah, don't ever cut. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our duo eyelash enhancers, and we're gonna go ahead and put a little layer on them. I'm just gonna put like a thinner just because I'm gonna take them off. And I don't want to ruin them, so these are so reusable. Like, you can use them probably a lot of times, so You see that? They're so beautiful. Eyelashes totally make a difference. Like, if you think your eyeshadow is not looking good, girl, put on some eyelashes. They're gonna, you know, fix everything. Anastasia one in the color. Oh, that is small. Dark brown, I believe. Back to my, you know, Facebook days and stuff where I used to do my, you know, makeup back then. Like, girl, back then, girl, those eyebrows were dark. And they were dark in the way. All the way over here. Like, those eyebrows would totally look so good if you guys did an eyeliner. It's just that your girl doesn't do eyeliner because I don't know how to do eyeliner. Okay guys, so I guess this is the end of the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Obviously it was just, you know, an easy and you know, a video for you guys to, you know, enjoy.